Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about the FC 100, a special list featuring some of the best men's soccer players in the world right now. The 2025-26 season was an incredible year in world soccer. Arsenal won the Premier League after more than 20 years. Paris Saint-Germain claimed back-to-back Champions League titles, and Spain lifted the FIFA World Cup after defeating Argentina in the final. But FC 100 is different from a normal number 1 to 100 ranking. Players are judged according to their positions, giving defenders, midfielders, and forwards the recognition they deserve. And this year is extra special. It marks the 10th annual edition of FC 100. So stay with us as we explore the biggest names in world soccer, including stars like Harry Kane, Lamine Yamal, and Lionel Messi. If you enjoy soccer content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on